Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Night Night Reactions. We're going to move on to the next song on Katie Lied by Steely Dan. And this one is called Chain Lightning. Let's get to it. Wow, another phenomenal track by Steely Dan. Straight up jazz again. Um, for some reason, I get the feeling I've heard this before, so I'm not sure if this is an original composition. Someone could comment and let me know. It sounds like it's been recorded before. I don't know why, just in the back of my head. Maybe I've heard it in the past on deep tracks or something like that, but it doesn't get a lot of airplay. I know that on some of my regular XM stations. Uh, but it's a great, phenomenal track. I hope you liked it. I liked it a lot. We're going to move on and finish it up. Uh, I think there's two songs to go. Have a great night.
I'm not going to lie. Business is struggling right now. That is why I have a great new deal for you. I am giving away a $100 cash card to one lucky customer over the next 30 days. With a purchase of $75 or more, you will be entered into a random drawing for the card. As it stands, I have not made any sales on my products for over 6 weeks, and that is bumming me out. Honestly, I think my products rock. If you buy my product, the chances are very good that you will be getting that $100 cash card. I can also PayPal or Venmo it off as well. So don't let this killer deal go to waste.